As I told you, I'm going to show you exactly what I did that got my account suspended. So on the 11th of March, I received an email from compliance from Clickbank telling me that your account has been suspended because we received a complaint that you are promoting this product in a way that it's against their terms of service. Now, I was really stunned because I usually read all the terms of service for each and every product that I promote from Clickbank, because sometimes you take some information for granted, but basically now what I made as a big mistake is I use BNAs. BNAs stands for before and afters pictures without permission and using content from our VSL. So basically, I read the terms and condition, but what was tricky in that time was because when you click on the affiliate page, the only condition I saw was these ones. All affiliate advertising must not include content that is deceptive, misleading, untruthful, unsubstantiated, or otherwise fail to comply with applicable federal and state consumer protection laws, regulations, and guidelines. This is what I saw on the affiliate page. However, my mistake was to not click on the terms and condition page. And this is the response I got from the vendor. I asked what I did wrong. Why did you make my account banned from Clickbank? And what was really stressful for me is that I got my whole account shut down just because of this one vendor, and I had to fight for weeks with the vendor and Clickbank to get my account whitelisted. So this is what he responded to me. So in the terms and conditions, when you click and read all of this, the terms and condition, this is what was written and I never saw. Affiliate must also never use any image or video that they do not own. And I see that a lot of affiliate beginners on Clickbank and even advanced affiliate marketers are doing. They are using the before and after pictures on that they got from the VSL. I advise you, do not do this, because you will get your account shut down. Some of the vendors don't really care about it, even if it is written in their terms and condition, but you don't want to fall into you don't want to be advertising a product from a vendor like this, because obviously ask him to get my account whitelisted, and this is the response he gave me. Sorry, always read and comply with the terms of service in your future promotion on all products. That's it. Any affiliate caught breaking any of these terms will be banned immediately without hesitation and will not be eligible for reinstatement. So, my solution to this: when I saw I was going back and forth sending emails with Clickbank and the vendor, I realized that this could take forever. So what I did, I just got a couple of new Clickbank account opened, and I started to promote the same product again and start to make money again. That's it. This is the way I responded to this guy that didn't want to hear anything about anything except he wanted me to be banned forever. However, I was maybe able to send him sales and sales again, and I got paid. So one advice I can give you is to get at least 2 to 3 accounts ready to be rolling if ever you have made a mistake like mine. And this cost me thousands of dollars because I was making a lot of money with my Clickbank account, and all my Clickbank account got shut down for this one single vendor. So just open multiple Clickbank account, and if you got banned from one account, try to get it reinstated. But in the meantime, just continue promoting the product with another account and just make sure you don't make that same mistake again. This is my advice to you. I hope you appreciated this video. It's not a make money method, but this is a keep the money in your pocket method. It's as valuable because when you're making money, you don't want to see the money stop coming in. And this mistake can cause you a lot of money. So never use the image from the video unless it's authorized in the terms of service. All right. So that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please. I would appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, because I will continue uploading new stuff, not only on Clickbank, but I have so many ways to make money online. I'm just focusing on Clickbank because my audience is asking me stuff from Clickbank, but I will obviously upload new video talking about other business model that I'm using to generate income online. So until next time, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.